cryptocurrency has emerged as a revolutionary force in the financial world, captivating investors and enthusiasts alike. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital form of money, secured by cryptography. Day trading involves opening and closing trades within a single trading day, aiming to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. This fast-paced approach, when applied to the volatile crypto market, presents both exciting opportunities and inherent risks. Day trading cryptocurrencies demands a deep understanding of market dynamics, technical analysis, and risk management. However, with the right knowledge and a disciplined approach, it can be rewarding. In this guide, we will delve into the fundamentals of crypto day trading, providing you with the tools and strategies needed to navigate this landscape. Establishing a strong foundation of knowledge is crucial before embarking on your crypto day trading journey. This includes understanding blockchain technology, factors influencing cryptocurrency prices, and different types of trading orders. Success in crypto day trading requires dedication, continuous learning, and the ability to adapt to ever-changing market conditions. Crypto day trading offers a unique blend of potential rewards and inherent risks. Understanding both sides is paramount before diving into the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. One of the most enticing aspects is the potential for significant profits in a short period. The crypto market is renowned for its dramatic price swings, presenting opportunities to capitalize on short-term trends. However, the same volatility can lead to substantial losses, especially for those unprepared for the market's unpredictable nature. Leverage can amplify both profits and losses, emphasizing the importance of risk management. The crypto market operates 24/7, demanding constant vigilance and potentially impacting your work-life balance. Approach crypto day trading with a clear understanding of the risks, a well-defined trading plan, and a disciplined mindset. To navigate crypto day trading, you need the right tools and a firm grasp of essential trading principles. First, you'll need a reliable cryptocurrency exchange platform to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. When choosing an exchange, consider security, trading fees, available cryptocurrencies, and user experience. Familiarize yourself with essential trading tools and indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Understanding different order types, such as market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders, is equally important. Technical analysis, the art of studying price charts to identify patterns and trends, is crucial for day traders. By mastering these tools and principles, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions. This knowledge will help you navigate the fast-paced world of crypto day trading. With thousands of cryptocurrencies vying for your attention, choosing the right one to trade can feel overwhelming. By understanding key factors, you can identify promising cryptocurrencies to boost your trading portfolio. Consider market capitalization, which reflects the total value of a cryptocurrency. Larger cap coins tend to be more established and less volatile, while smaller cap coins offer higher growth potential but greater risk. Delve into the project behind the coin, understanding its purpose, developers, and community support. High trading volume indicates liquidity, meaning you can easily buy or sell the coin without significantly impacting its price. Stay informed about industry news, trends, and technological advancements to identify emerging opportunities. Imagine stepping onto a battlefield without a strategy. In crypto day trading, a well-defined trading plan is your battle plan, guiding your decisions. Start by defining your risk tolerance and determine your entry and exit points in advance. Don't let emotions dictate your actions. Stick to your plan, even amidst market turbulence. Set realistic profit targets and stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Outline your chosen trading style, whether it's scalping, momentum trading, or news trading. Regularly review and adjust your plan based on your performance and market conditions. A well-crafted trading plan minimizes emotional decisions and helps navigate the market with discipline. It's about maximizing profits and maintaining a clear strategy. In the adrenaline-fueled world of crypto day trading, mastering your emotions is crucial. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment and lead to costly mistakes. Fear can cause you to sell too early, while greed might tempt you to hold on to a losing trade for too long. The key to success lies in recognizing these emotions and developing strategies to mitigate their impact. Stick to your trading plan to avoid impulsive decisions based on fleeting emotions. Practice mindfulness and meditation to cultivate emotional detachment and improve focus. Maintain a balanced perspective, learn from your mistakes, and approach each trading day with a calm mindset. Every trade has a winner and a loser. Don't let losses discourage you or wins make you overconfident. Ready to transform yourself from a crypto novice to a confident trader. Our 30-day challenge equips you with essential skills and knowledge. Each day, focus on a specific aspect of trading. Days 1 to 7. Learn about blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and price factors. Explore sources, join communities, and learn trading terms. Days 8 to 14. Choose an exchange and practice with a demo account. Experiment with strategies and find your style. Days 15 to 21. Develop your trading plan and start small. Days 22 to 28. Focus on emotional control. Days 29 and 30. Review progress and celebrate achievements. In crypto day trading, tracking your progress is about understanding your strengths, identifying areas for improvement, and refining your strategies. Maintaining a detailed trading journal is crucial for tracking your progress. Record every trade, including the date-time cryptocurrency traded entry and exit points, profit or loss, and your rationale behind each decision. Regularly analyze your trading journal to identify your strengths and weaknesses. By understanding your trading patterns, you can refine your strategies and improve your overall performance. Progress tracking is about extracting valuable lessons and using them to make more informed decisions. Embrace a continuous improvement mindset to optimize your trading approach. Congratulations on embarking on your journey into the exciting world of crypto day trading. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint, and the key to long-term success lies in continuous learning and adaptation. The crypto market is constantly evolving, with new technologies, trends, and challenges emerging regularly. Embrace a growth mindset and stay ahead of the curve by seeking out new knowledge and refining your skills. Join online trading communities, attend webinars, and follow reputable crypto news sources to stay informed. Engage in discussions with fellow traders, share your experiences, and learn from their insights. Seek guidance from experienced traders and gain valuable insights into navigating the crypto market. Embrace the challenges celebrate your successes, and never stop seeking knowledge. Now, go forth and conquer the exciting world of crypto day trading.